Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to secretly hide data inside of a photo. Now, the act of doing this is actually called steganography, and that is a practice of concealing messages or data within other non-secret data. So reasons why you'd want to do this, secret communication, data concealment, covert operations, anonymity, privacy, whatever you want. A lot of times you'll have somebody who, might live in a war-torn country or somewhere where privacy is not of the essence, and this might be a good way to, safely communicate with that person. Right. So there's different ways that you could go ahead and do this. We're gonna actually use an application called StegHide. Now this is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. We're actually going to be using Linux for this presentation. All right, so the goal here is going to be to take this TXT file and embed it into this photo. So we're going to go ahead and install StegHide. Oh, there we go. So to install any kind of application on Linux, you want to go sudo apt install and whatever the application is. In this case, it's going to be StegHide. Now, I'm not going to do that because I have this installed already. And after I install any application, first thing I like to do is go ahead to the help page. Now, some of this stuff is already pre-populating because I went through it already. So the two main arguments we're going to be going over will be embed and extract. And then some of the options will be -EF, which is embed file, -CF, which is cover file. And that's for the embedding options. And for extracting options, we're going to go with -SF, stego file. So I'm currently right now in my documents folder. So I'm going to do a listing. You'll see it's currently blank. So we'll go ahead and get started. So to embed, we're going to use, again, option -EF, and we're going to use the .txt file, and we're going to go ahead and embed that into our images file, which is -CF. Now here, I'm putting in a password with the -P option. If you don't do that, it's going to ask you for a password either way. So we have it here with our super secure password of 1234. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and hit enter, and we get a feedback that says embedding our TXT file in our JPEG file. So another thing is the person that you're sending this document to, they need to have StegHide installed as well in order to extract the document. So now we're going to go to StegHide extract, and we're going to use the option -SF, stego file, and then there's our photo. Going to hit enter our passphrase, which is a 1234 password. Hit enter, and it says wrote extracted data to confidential.txt. So it's just saying that it wrote the file to your current folder. So we're in documents, we're going to hit ls. Now we have confidential.txt listed here. We're going to go ahead and cat that in order to read the document. Hit enter, and there you go. Highly sensitive data. The user and password admin. So super easy if you want to embed, again, any documents into a photo. And you could also do this with videos and also music files. So if you guys have any suggestions or any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.